Hi, my name is Clarissa Pakulan. I'm 30 years old and I'm currently living in the barangay Masaungsong, Kawambiliran. I'm looking for a husband. No exact age because really doesn't matter to me as long as he's older than me. That's fine. I'm I'm not in the school. Actually, I'm not schooling. Even if I want to, I have to go to school. My parents can afford the tuition fee. And yes, I'm still looking for a job. I'm looking for a simple guy, humble, understanding, loving, thoughtful, kind, respectful, and a guy who will love me, not just my good side, but also my bad side. So, before I decided to work in the after I mean I after I graduated in the high school, I decided to find a work in the Manila, and then last 2023 I came back home in the province and I resigned to my job